it's really nice to say that I'm currently standing under the KLCC tower. Look how tall is this. This is my first time I've been KL, okay? I've been KL since I was a kid, but it's new for me because like after my fresh minded, this is new. I'm coming out and I'm going one by one now. Today I'm at KLCC tower and I love this place. This building literally have a garden, the entire building, and then there's KL tower hiding at behind it, hiding the head of KL tower here. I love this. Okay, I love this. So let's go and explore KL tower. KLCC. Yep. Oh my god, this is so sweet. I'm at the entrance of KLCC. This is the KLCC tower. I just explored KLCC and I'm gonna finish the video here and say bye to KLCC. I love the mall, nice, the park, everything is nice. So see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you love this video. Yep. And peace. Bye guys.